Hello, I am Trapti Thangwal from Genesis Technologies. Today, I am going to introduce you to our CRM practice. Genesis, with its rich experience in CRM, has been catering the needs of business by providing CRM solution. I'll discuss the methodology in implementing services with a clear report on ROI. Industries are putting lots of efforts to retain the existing customer and acquire new ones. Your business needs an integrated solution that tracks customer history and behavior and thus provide you with a solution to achieve customer satisfaction. So, how does CRM help us in achieving the desired satisfaction? Basically, CRM is a way through which an organization can increase its efficiency by lowering the cost and increasing the responsiveness. Sadly, most of the CRM implementation fails. We'll discuss about it later. Right now, let us look at the key drivers of CRM. Nearly 60% of CRM implementation fails, and most of them are having the same reason, that is, ignorance of key drivers. Success of CRM depends on the following. Driver number 1, the customer. Customers are the most important driver of CRM systems, and as it is mentioned above, many of CRM implementation fails due to lack of quality customer requirement. A CRM must be developed by keeping the customer's expectation in mind. For a consultant, it is necessary that he carries customer profitability and value analysis prior to designing the CRM. Driver number 2, processes. It is necessary for a CRM system to deliver the value to the end users by carrying the process at brisk pace. Any delays in the process may result in the failure of CRM. Understanding the information and creating the best fit product is the aim of CRM consultant. Driver number 3, management. CRM is concerned more about streamlining the operational activities rather than a technology operation. Sometimes the consultant emphasizes more on the technology specification and overlooks the change management aspects of CRM. If it's not aligned with strategical and operational goals, then CRM implementation will not be successful. Driver number 4, the vendor. Vendors play a vital role in CRM systems, and there are mainly 3 types of vendors involved in process. First are the consultant, followed by training expert, and then the hardware expert. A proper coordination among all vendors will define the successful implementation. Proper coordination allows ease of customization and ease of implementation, while a dysfunctional team will result in chaos. Driver number 5, best practices. Defining the best practices for CRM implementation is not an easy thing. There are many ways of defining it, and one can easily choose it by following the standards. It is not a recommended way as practices varies with work environment and management approach. One must have to define the best practice by keeping the business operations in mind. If we keep all these aforesaid points in mind, then CRM system will not fail. Sadly, facts does not suggest so. Why this happens? Let's discuss the probable cause of failure. Failure of implementation of CRM is due to some common causes which are as follows. First one is unclear objective. Most of the CRM projects start with an ambitious goal without even setting realistic objective. Many organizations start CRM projects without having clear objective and thus resulting in failure. Second is poor planning and management. Organizations which choose CRM system concentrate on creating CRM and sometimes give less time in planning for change. CRM system not only changes the work process but also have a significant impact on working style. Lack of change of management strategy results in opposition of employees and hence CRM implementation fails. Third is over customization. Many of the times, companies concentrate on all the features which may not be required by them in next few years. It is because they don't want to go for enhancement and hence efficiency reduces. Many of the projects failed due to over-customization as it reduces the focus of CRM system towards the core process. Fourth one is lack of expert consultation. If you are not having expert CRM consultant, then your CRM implementation is most likely to fail. An experienced CRM professional helps you in getting the best CRM solution and also helps you in arranging proper training and change management activities. Is user rejection. It is the most common problem encountered with CRM system implementation. Many of the times, CRM is not efficiently used by the end users and hence its efficiency reduces. All the probable causes of CRM failures can be easily avoided by having expert consultant. We at Genesis helps you in building efficient CRM system. Here is what we can offer you. First is consultancy. With an experience of over a decade in CRM systems, we provide quality consultation to the clients. We know the real-time error causes and hence our consulting will always put you one step ahead. Our CRM implementation expertise can cater for any consultation technical or business to the organization. We have a dedicated team with experience who understand the business requirements and propose solution. It requires thorough understanding of market and industry to conduct the precise analysis. Meetings with the user are conducted for gathering business requirements. A gap analysis is then undertaken which identifies the business requirements that are not available in Siebel out of the box or vanilla version. These requirements are then mapped to Siebel business objects and the configuration requirement is thus identified. Next is implementation. Genesis undertakes the CRM implementation part and has a team of technical resources with business analysts to help understand business requirement and provide effective solution. Siebel Business Process Framework is used to map the business processes and trigger them based upon the condition or event whichever is applicable. Fourth one is quality assurance. We at Genesis have a proven and experienced QA team. The QA team is involved right from design phase of the project. This enables QA team to better understand the functionality and leads to the creating effective test cases. Moreover, with us, you will get expert consultation in setting of clear objectives. We reduce chances of failure by providing consultation to carry out successful CRM implementation. You will get strict quality process and evaluation Poka-Yoke methodology to build a robust defect-free CRM system. CRM will not fail because of poor change management as we'll cater all the training needs from your resources. It's easy to create the CRM system, but it is difficult to create right CRM system to cater needs of your organization. To know about the best CRM solution to your organization, please drop a mail to info@genesistechnologies.in. Also, you can call us on these numbers. We'll be happy to serve you. Feel free to contact us as we love to hear from you. Thanks for watching the video.